May 4th. They are spraying us. Spray, spray, spraying us. One right after another. Not normal flight paths. Those are not normal. They almost collide with one another. There's that one. Whoever thinks these are normal flight paths has a thinking problem. Think. There's one. There's one. Think. There's one. There he is. There he is. There's the one in front of him. There's that one. Think. Think about this. There's one. There's the one in front of him. Oops. There's one. Okay, think now. Oh, and there's another one. We really need you to think, because we need the majority of people that are denying that this poisoning is happening. We need you to help stop the poisoning. This is our government and the military doing this to us all. They're doing it to me. They're doing it to you. They're doing it to our children. This is no joke. I am not a conspiracy theorist. I have done about 1,000 hours of research on the subject. I am not a dumb person. I didn't believe it myself, so I put a lot of time researching this. These are chemtrails. That is our government and our military poisoning us all. We need the majority of people who keep saying these are contrails. Contrails are almost non-existent. Think. Look it up. Google chemtrails. Do some research. They are killing you. They are killing your children. Okay, May 4th, and apparently the assault has begun, and we are going to watch the blue sky because of these criminals who are not flying in a flight path of any normal vehicles. There's two, and there's one. Now, if any of you dopes think that this is a normal flight path, you may be a fucking moron. And I'm getting tired of all of you. I'm getting tired of being called names. So, I'm going to call you stupid names now. There's two right there going to crisscross each other. Right there. Okay, those are normal flight paths, huh? Those are passenger planes. Oh my god. You must be really dumb. And then here's the other one spraying us with poison. And they are going to turn this beautiful blue sky, these criminals, these military pilot criminals, are going to turn the sky later from normal clouds into complete sky garbage. May 4th, not normal flight paths. not normal. May 4th, and as you see, I took pictures this morning of real clouds, and now these, the jets have been up all day, and these are no longer real clouds. These are not white powder puffs of clouds. These are chemical clouds. Dirty, the color is dirty. It's red and black and brown. Those are not real clouds. And you see the chemical coverage that they created. They're still not getting the job done, but there were not a lot of jets up today. But these are not real clouds. Those are chemicals. Trying to teach you all dum-dums the difference so we can start getting help with these crimes against humanity that are happening. Not real clouds. Chemicals. May 4th, and I'm out getting pictures. I'm out getting pictures of the fake chemicals, fake chemical coverage and fake chemical clouds for the dum-dums. And as I'm doing that, oh, I put more signs on my truck too. And a lot of clear skies. The jets weren't able to look off, but I put more. Look up in the sky. Chemtrails. They're killing us all. And here's one of the demons. Here's one of the demons spraying the chemicals right now. That is not a contrail. Actually, contrails are almost non-existent. You dum-dums think that that's a oh, there's another one. There's another one. Okay, these are not normal flight paths. These are demons shooting chemicals. Those are demons shooting chemicals. There's another demon shooting more garbage, sky garbage, and turning those white powder puffs. They're turning those white powder puffs that were normal. They're turning it into sky garbage. Okay, we're going to keep educating you all until you understand. Not a contrail, a chemtrail. Chemicals. May 4th at sunset, and that's usually when they start slamming us harder. But today has been a pretty mild day as far as the which you'll see 4 up right now. There's, see if I can get my little camera too. I can't get the ones over there, I don't think. There's two more over there. But remember, I'm not in any flight path. And if I go inside right now and look on the radar, they will not show up on the radar, which means they are military jets. Military jets do not show up on the radar. Let's see if I can get that one over there. My little camera's refusing to put that one, I think, over there. These are military jets. Military jets do not show up on the radar. I am not in any flight path. There he is. Here's the other one coming into view. Think. May 4th at sunset. This is when the demons come out. Okay, I'm not on a flight path. These are not normal clouds like I showed you this morning. These are black. Black, not white. Clouds are not black. clouds are white and they look like powder puffs. These produce these. These are not contrails, they are chemtrails. These are not clouds, they are not white powder puffs, they are black chemicals. If we don't get your all's help, they're going to keep spraying us, and they're going to keep spraying us more.